everyone! Today we are bringing you a bike helmet from LUMOS. This is an adult bike helmet and it does come with handlebar remote. This is the LUMOS Kickstart, a next generation bike helmet with lights, hard brake, and turn signals integrated beautifully into a helmet. Let's take that look together. Look at that. It's a beautiful display, a beautiful box. And they even have a quick start guide. Here's everything out of the box. Looks like we have our helmet, controls, charging cord, and some information and instructions. The charging port on this helmet is magnetic, with the other end being USB. Once it's connected, that light does illuminate to let you know it's charging. Now that we've charged all of the components, the light on the back of the helmet does turn green, by the way. Here we're going to attach those turn signal buttons to the handlebars. They do provide you with some of these rubber band elastics, 4 of them, just in case you need an extra. So it goes around the outside here, and then it not zigzags, but it goes diagonally underneath to the other side here. Just like that. Now that we've secured the base with those rubber bands, we can go ahead and put our turn signals on there, and it even gives you a diagram of how to do so. There's the back side of that turn signal with that magnetic charging port as well. You place them on like so, and turn it clockwise. To go ahead and turn on the helmet, just one press of that button on the back. We have already paired this, however, to pair them, you just hold this button until the light pulses, and you hold these 2 buttons as well for that light to pulse. You hold them close together and they'll pair. All right, so we can see that the brake light here is illuminated. You just need to press this and you can change the settings and the modes on that back light as well. The front light also illuminates and changes the settings too. Let's go ahead and test out these turn signals. Our left turn signal, it does beep and illuminate on the control as well. When you turn it off, it also beeps. Let's do that right side. Look at that. Turn signals that work with control. Another really neat feature about the LUMOS Kickstart helmet is that it has a companion app. Right now we're in the process of pairing the 2. So we held that power button for 3 seconds and it looks like it has found our Kickstart helmet. Look at there, it just says tap to pair. Upon tapping, it shows that it is pairing the 2 devices. It automatically came up with an update to the firmware, which is awesome. You always like things to be updated. This app is really neat. So it gives you the option of choosing your different light modes. They can be solid, the front light and the rear lights, flashing like so, or that rapid flash. You also can go into the settings and change the helmet sounds, your automatic brake light, and syncing your devices. It is also compatible with the LUMOS Firefly lights. Those seem pretty neat. Now that everything is paired and set up, let's go ahead and take this on a little test ride. I'll show you all the different flashing features. On the back of the helmet, there is that turn dial there to go ahead and loosen and tighten that helmet up. It is incredibly comfortable, and I love the ability to tighten and loosen on the fly like that as well. Make sure to check out those links below for more details on this LUMOS Kickstart helmet. I mean, look at that. A beep, touch button. It doesn't get much simpler than that. Overall, I really like this helmet. Anytime you're traveling down a trail, path, road, motorway of some sort, it's great to let those fellow travelers know where you're planning on going and that you're there. And look at this. On the front of the helmet, ooh, sorry, it's a little bright. Front of the helmet, look at that turn signals even on the front of the helmet. And then it turns off automatically and just turns back on to that light. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.